What if I told you, you could get professional 3D scanning for under $500? Exploding head, but here's the scary part, some budget scanners are complete trash. Wastebasket. In this video, we tested hundreds of models to bring you the top 5 best budget 3D scanners of 2025, including one that outperforms $10,000 models. Robot face. All purchase links are in the description, but watch first before you get scammed. Let's expose the truth. Number 1. Revopoint Range Handheld 3D. Designed for scanning large objects, with a single frame precision of up to 0.1 mm and a single capture range of 360 mm x 650 mm at 600 mm, range is optimized to scan large-sized objects, like cars, furniture, or even people. Fast, accurate scans help you modify cars, design clothing, and realize creative ideas. Scan farther and faster. The new high-power projector captures point cloud data at twice the distance, 300 mm 800 mm, of the Pop 2. The projector's high-resolution, bright, structured light patterns improve the signal-to-noise ratio. And with up to 18 frames per second scanning speeds, you can get scans done smoothly and fast. Sharp and colorful 3D models. Highly engineered aspheric lenses reduce image aberration for sharper, clearer 3D scans. Do full color, nearly lifelike color scans with Range's RGB camera. Intuitive software. The free user-friendly app Revopoint guides users to complete scans and post-processings. Even if you are a beginner, you can easily perform a scan. Optimized intelligent algorithms and the embedded processor mean Range works with office-level computers. Excellent compatibility. Revopoint scanners are compatible with Windows, macOS, iOS, and Android devices. Supports handheld and accessory-assisted scanning. Number 2. Creality 3D Scanner CR Scan. The CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner is a cost-effective solution that combines top-tier performance with user-friendly operation, making 3D scanning accessible to all. Advanced connectivity. The CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner leverages the power of Wi-Fi 6 technology and ensures smooth and efficient wireless scanning, even for high-precision tasks. Additionally, with iOS compatibility, users can easily connect their Apple devices, making 3D scanning more accessible and convenient. Precision scanning. Experience high-quality scanning with 24-bit full-color capability. The innovative anti-shake feature ensures successful scans, even in less than steady hands. Versatile compatibility. This scanner supports multiple output formats, OBJ/STL/PLY, catering to various user preferences and project requirements. Furthermore, it's compatible with over 10 design software platforms, including industry leaders like Maya, 3D Max, and Fusion 360. Portability and convenience. Weighing just 105 grams, this compact scanner is designed for portability. Take the power of 3D scanning wherever you go with the CR Scan Ferret Pro 3D Scanner. Number 3. Creality RaptorX 3D Scanner. Creality RaptorX is a metrology-grade 3D scanner with a maximum accuracy of 0.02 mm. It can perform detailed scans of various objects, from small parts to large items, making it ideal for applications like automotive and reverse engineering. Versatile light sources. Equipped with 3 light sources, blue, white, and infrared, it enables simultaneous cross-laser, 34 lines, parallel laser, 7 lines, and infrared scanning. This versatility allows for scanning different materials and complex shapes with ease. Wireless and portable. The wireless scanning handle provides great portability. During wireless scanning, the phone can be used as the scanner screen. Users can freely move around the object being scanned, enhancing the scanning experience. Fast and efficient, with high scanning rates such as 1,020,000 measurements/s for 34 cross-laser lines and 3,580,000 measurements/s for NIR structured light scanning, it can complete scans quickly, improving work efficiency. Wide application range, suitable for scanning a variety of targets including human bodies, faces, cultural relics, and industrial parts. It meets the scanning needs of different fields and is a powerful tool for 3D data acquisition. Number 4. Einstar Vega 3D Scanner. Discover the freedom of wireless scanning with the Einstar 3D Scanner, perfect for creating detailed 3D models without a PC connection. This handheld 3D scanner is ideal for 3D printer enthusiasts, making it easy to scan, save, and share data instantly. With wireless projection to a second screen and access to cloud storage, this 3D print scanner allows flexible scanning and sharing, providing the ultimate in portable scanning convenience. Dual scanning technology: utilize 2 scanning modes in one device with Einstar's handheld 3D scanner. The VCSEL laser is perfect for long-range scans, while MEMS technology offers unmatched precision for close-range, high-detail scans. Ideal as a 3D model scanner, it captures intricate textures and details, making it a reliable tool for 3D animation software, body scanning, and 3D printer projects. Enjoy fast scanning up to 20 FPS in fast mode and 15 FPS in HD mode. Powerful hardware for professional results, equipped with an 8-core 2.4 GHz CPU, 32 GB RAM, and 512 GB SSD, this professional 3D scanner has the power to handle detailed scanning projects seamlessly. Featuring a 6.4-inch 2K AMOLED screen and a 48MP color scanner camera, it provides real-time scanning and vivid detail capture. Perfect for 3D modeling, 3D printing accessories, and animation, this 3D camera scanner supports continuous operation while charging. Beginner-friendly yet pro-ready design, built for both beginners and professionals, this 3D scanner for 3D printing features a simple one-click processing system and automatic configuration, making it easy to use right out of the box. This handheld 3D scanner adapts to any scanning environment, from bright outdoor settings to dark surfaces, delivering clear results for 3D modeling software, animation, and professional 3D printing tasks. Number 5. 2023 Upgrade, 3D Maker Pro Lynx 3D Scanner. 3D Maker Pro Lynx 3D Modeling Scanner adopts intelligent large-scale alignment algorithm to ensure automatic matching without manual grid alignment, calibration, or the use of markers. Model editing, automatic fill repair, automatic color repair, automatic substrate recognition, non-destructive mesh simplification, automatic smooth denoising, give you a great scanning experience. High precision for large objects, high precision scanning, accuracy up to 0.1 mm, even scanning large objects can also ensure high precision details. The scanning width is 1.5 times of the traditional scanner, and the scanning is faster and smoother. High-precision matching algorithm based on color and structure features, realizing multiple scan automatic synthesis function. Multiple scan modes, handheld scanning is more flexible, supports scanning objects of different sizes without marking points and easily achieve outdoor scanning. Turntable mode, one-click automatic scanning, support multiple poses aligned automatically to get a more complete model. So which scanner are you grabbing? Tell me in the comments. Down arrow, want to see how we tested these? Smash that like button. Red heart. All product links are waiting in the description below. Link. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bellhop bell. Next week we're revealing 3D printers that work perfectly with these scanners. Rock it. Until then, happy scanning.